Alright guys, real quick, so this is part 1 of 5 for Maurice Jackson. This is his kit. So I've already got the rim lights done. I'll put those in another video, but this here is the hood strips and then the hood vent strips. Alright, so we're gonna come back with the rest of it. Hold tight. Alright guys, round 2 before I call it quits for the night. These are the 2 strips that go down your fin, your third brake light. Alright, so these will start at the front by the seats, go all the way down, and then they'll wrap around the back side underneath the plastic piece that you let down, I think with the 4, 6 T40 screws. I got to build the custom splitters tomorrow and the extensions for everything, and the rest of the lights. I got 2 more kits to build. We got a triple eyebrow kit to do, and side body panel pieces to do. Alright, so that's 2 kits there. You've seen this. This is the 3rd kit. The 4th kit was the what was the first one we did? Oh, it's late. The hood. And then the 5th kit will be the ring lights, which I'll show you guys tomorrow. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so back to 3 out of 5. These very, very long strips here are the 2 strips. One goes driver's side, one goes passenger side. They will begin where the wire goes, up under the fender, just up under the hood where the fender meets, and go down the body all the way to the back, and they will end where the body kind of slopes down to the ground right by the back wheel. So these 2 very long strips here. So 3 out of 5, we're going to keep going. I'll show you the rest. Alright guys, welcome back. Probably 2 more to go. This is going to be 4A. So this is the 4th kit. This is A of B because this is the eyebrow kit. And so this is just the left side that we see right here. That's your lower, that's your mid, that's your upper. So this is a triple eyebrow kit. Got those on the website. But I'm going to get ready to do these, and then we'll test those, and then we'll come up with the rim lights. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. So part 4B. So this is the right side eyebrow kit, triple eyebrow kit for the Polaris Slingshot. Alright. So again, your lower, your upper, and your middle. Had to think about that. But anyway, if you guys are looking for something, I'll leave a link in the video description below, or you can inbox me, alright, for prices. Alright, so on the next round 5, this will be the rim lights coming up next. Alright guys, round 5, here we go. So that's a level 6 kit in alternating directions. Okay. I'll leave a link in the video description below to the website for prices and options. Inbox me if there's something there you want that you don't see, because I haven't put everything up yet. I've been building a lot of kits and I haven't had time to finish adding everything. Maurice, I'll get you a tracking number on these probably later tonight. I got to get everything boxed up, and a couple people's things boxed up actually. But other than that, if you guys see what you like, please check the video link to go to the website or inbox me, and I'll take care of you. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.